Welcome back. Let's get things rolling out there this morning. We're looking pretty decent in parts of Minocqua. You can see the moon out there, at least at this point, and we're starting to see the first little glimpses of daylight on the camera as well. So we're going to be welcoming in maybe a little bit of sunshine this morning, but there's a change on the way. We have clouds tracking in from the southwest, going toward the north and east, some rain showers in parts of Minnesota and in parts of Iowa as well. Tracking down from the south as well. So this is moving from southwest to northeast. We'll be watching for rain near the Omaha area and areas to the south and east now. This is tracking northeast, so this will arrive by about the 2 o'clock period this afternoon. And this could bring some decent rainfall between today and also in the parts of tomorrow. So the bigger picture looks like this. The area of low pressure is located right about in here. This will track to the north and east, bringing that rainfall. And with the rain falling on pretty much a frozen ground with snow on the ground too. And some of the storm sewers might still be covered up in a little bit of snow, so maybe be careful with a little bit of flash flooding in a few spots as well. Maybe a few slippery stretches too, with the ground temperatures still being rather chilly as well. But regarding snow, we have about 11 inches on the ground at this point in the Rhinelander area, 7 inches in Wausau. A lot more further off towards the north, of course, will be melting a lot of that snow moving forward, especially with the rain moving in. Futurecast looks like this. So rain moving in by about 1 to 2 o'clock in the afternoon period. The heaviest, of course, taking place during the evening period tonight. And we'll catch a little bit of a break as we head towards Wednesday morning for a few spots. So with the colder air moving in, some of that rain can mix in with a little bit of snow. That will start to back off as we head towards Wednesday afternoon, but we'll hold on to the clouds as we head towards Thursday morning with a few more snow showers possible in a few spots. So as for the rainfall, I haven't had to dig this graphic out in a while. We're looking at maybe 3/4 of an inch to maybe an inch of rainfall before we're all finished up. Again, that's falling on a frozen ground with snow still on the ground in some spots, and maybe some issues with the storm sewers still covered in a little bit of snow and ice. So we'll have to be watchful of that, and maybe a few slippery stretches too with what the temperatures will do. And the ground temperature is still being a little low, so we'll have to be ready for that. Just take some precautions when you're out and about. As for any snowfall on Wednesday, when we get the switchover going, nothing meaningful there. Less than a half an inch in parts of the Northwoods before we're all finished up, but nothing further down toward the south. Temperatures looks like this. 33 degrees right now in Rhinelander. Other areas in the lower 30s, even lower 20s in Antigo this morning. 34 degrees in Stevens Point. So overall, looking pretty mild across the viewing area as we do start things off. And we do have some wind as well, generally out of the south at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Gusty winds are expected today, reaching up to around 15, maybe getting close to 30 miles per hour out of the south at times, at least through the evening period tonight. So a forecast on this Valentine's Day, 43 degrees. Afternoon rain showers with that southeast wind getting up to about 25 miles per hour. As for tonight, 37 degrees, rain likely, patchy fog possible. The southwest wind getting up to about 25 miles per hour. Northwoods Furniture and Mattress, 7-day forecast. More rain and snow showers for you Wednesday. Also windy with that northwest wind up to 30 miles per hour. Highs in the lower 40s. More snow showers for you Thursday with highs cooling off into the upper teens. Lots of sunshine Friday, highs in the lower 20s. Another warm up by the weekend, back in the 30s with a mostly cloudy sky and more snow showers as we head towards Monday.